My name is Antonio. I am 12 years old. I like chanfana. Chanfana is a typical food of Lausanne with goat meat.
Hello, my name is Rodrigo. I'm 13 years old. I'm Brazilian and I like play football.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Hello, my name is Rodrigo. I'm 12 years old. I'm from Portugal. And my favorite sport is Krav Maga.
Hello, I'm Leticia. I'm 11 years old. I'm Portuguese. I like chestnuts.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello, my name is Daniel. I am 12 years old. I'm from Brazil. I like basket. Hello, my name is Guilherme. I'm 11 years old. I'm from Portugal. My favorite sport is badminton. Goodbye. Bye.
Hi, my name is Raquel. I'm 10 years old. I like telesnito. Telesnito is a typical cake of Lausanne.
Hi, my name is Rebecca. I'm 11 years old. I'm Italian. I like tea with honey. Bye.
Bye bye.